Hey guys, welcome back to the Quizler. In today's video, we are playing Guess the Animal in 3 seconds. We have prepared 75 questions and you have only 3 seconds to guess. 99.9% people will fail in this quiz. Let's start with an easy one. Guess the animal. Yes, it's a dog. That's right, it's a cat. Correct, it's a cow. You guessed it, an elephant. It's the king of the jungle. That's a tiger, well done. This one is also easy to guess. It's a bear, great job. Correct, a horse. That's a snake. Right, it's a monkey. Yes, it's a giraffe. That's a kangaroo, great. You got it, it's a panda. Correct, it's a cheetah. It's a zebra, well done. Yes, a crocodile. That's a dolphin. Correct, it's a koala. You guessed it, a penguin. Right, that's a camel. Correct, it's a sheep. You got it, a rabbit. Yes, that's a frog. It's a duck. Good job. Right, it's a goat. Yes, that's a chicken. Correct, it's a pig. You guessed it, a goldfish. That's a squirrel, great guess. Right, it's a shark. Now we have entered in medium level, these animals can be hard to guess. That's a hippo, good job. Yes, it's a rhino. Correct, it's a beaver. That's an otter, nice. Yes, it's a flamingo. That's an axolotl, tricky one. Correct, it's a narwhal. Only 10% people can name this animal. You got it, a platypus. Yes, that's an aardvark. Right, it's an ocelot. That's an okapi. Well done. Correct, an emu. Yes, it's a tarsier. You got it, a quokka. Right, a pangolin. It's a peacock. Great job. Correct, a parrot. You got it, it's an iguana. Yes, that's a bat. It's an alligator. Nice work. That's a caracal. Good guess. Correct, it's a tapir. Yes, it's a red panda. You got it, a capybara. It's a fennec fox. Well done. Now we're in hard level. These animals are impossible to guess. Yes, that's a manatee. It's a dugong. Great job. Correct, it's a fossa. That's a kinkajou. Well done. You got it, a vicuña. That's a saiga. Tricky one. Correct, an Eriomote cat. You got it, a markhor. Yes, it's a kakapo. Right, a binturong. Correct, a zebu. That's a quetzal. Well done. Yes, it's a gerenuk. Right, that's a sifaka. You got it, it's a shoebill. That's a tuatara, tough one. Correct, it's a margay. Yes, that's an ai. You got it, a bongo. Right, it's a poodoo. So how many animals did you guess? Please tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting quizzes. Thanks for watching.